Hello children, let's begin our today's lesson with this beautiful thought. You will never have this day again, so make it count. Children, our life becomes shorter by a day at the end of each day. So, you should learn to appreciate the present day you have and must learn to enjoy it and utilize it qualitatively. Do your work on time. Study regularly. Children, in last period we have started lesson Let's handle geometrical shapes. In that we have completed the first geometrical shape, that is cuboid. Now today we will see the next one. The next geometrical shape is cone. What is this? This is birthday cap. This is mehndi cone. This is Christmas tree, and this is ice cream cone. The shape like this is called as cone. All shape which matches with this is called as cone. Now let's see the properties of cone. First one is, let's see how many corners are there in a cone. See this figure. This is a figure of cone. While drawing cone, first you have to draw a triangle and after that draw this circular base. Okay. Now first we will see how many corners are there in a cone. Now see this point. This point is called as corner. So let's count how many corners are there. There is only one corner. So a cone has one corner. A cone has one corner. Next, children, see this sloping surface of a cone. It turns continuously around. It is called as curved surface. This sloping surface is called as curved surface. So, this is a curved surface of a cone. C-U-R-V-E-D, curved. S-U-R-F-A-C-E, surface. Curved surface. This is curved surface of a cone. So let's count how many curved surfaces are there. A cone has only one curved surface. A cone has one curved surface. Third property, this circular base is called as plane surface of a cone. This circular base is called as plane surface. Now let's see how many circular bases are there. There is only one circular base. So there is only one plane surface. So cone has how many plane surface? A cone has one plane surface. A cone has one plane surface. The last property is circular edge. See here, this black border is called as circular edge. This black border is called as circular edge, and this colored blue color is a plane surface. So how many circular edges are there? There is only one circular edge. So a cone has one circular edge. This is figure of cone. It is very easy to draw a cone. Cone has one corner. Cone has one curved surface. cone has one plane surface and cone has one circular edge. These four are the properties of a cone. Now, the next geometrical shape is cylinder. 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 Now see this figure. What is this? It is sail. Then this is water bottle and it is tin can. So all these are the examples of cylinder. Such figures are called as cylinder. The figure which has a circular base is called as cylinder. Okay, now let's see the properties of cylinder. See here, this is a figure of cylinder. To draw cylinder, first you have to draw these two vertical lines. After that, join these two vertical lines by a circular base. Okay. Now let's see how many corners are there. There is no corner. Cylinder has no corner. So first property is a cylinder has no corners. Now second, let's count the number of curved surface. See here, this is called as curved surface of a cylinder. So how many curved surface are there? This is a curved surface. There is only one curved surface of cylinder. So a cylinder has one curved surface. This is curved surface of cylinder. Cylinder has only one curved surface. Now let's see how many plane surface are there. See here, this is first plane surface and this is second plane surface. First at the bottom and another at the top. So how many plane surface are there? 1 and 2. In cylinder, 2 plane surface are there. So the third property is a cylinder has 2 plane surface. A cylinder has 2 plane surface. These two are the plane surface of a cylinder. Now the last is, let's count how many circular edges are there. This is called as circular edge. This black colored circular part is called as a circular edge. So this is first circular edge and this is second circular edge. So how many circular edges are there in a cylinder? 1 and 2. So a cylinder has 2 circular edges. A cylinder has 2 circular edges. This is first circular edge and this is second circular edge. So properties of cylinder as, first one, a cylinder has no corners. Cylinder has no corner. Second, a cylinder has only one curved surface. Third property, a cylinder has 2 plane surface. This is first plane surface and this is second plane surface. And last property is, a cylinder has 2 circular edges. This is first circular edge and this is second circular edge. So children, we will stop here now. In next period, we will learn the next geometric shape, sphere, and some examples.